Cool. And then, so before you do that, come to devices, and let me show you some devices, and come to network, and then come to network settings. So this is how it works. If you're using wireless, so the first thing is choose bridge adapter, and then bridge adapter, and then come here. What's up? Alright, so choose bridge adapter. So I was just trying to figure out some things. And then if you are connected to a wired network, you choose this one, since I'm using Windows. And then if I connected to a wireless, you choose this to be your wireless. But basically choose this one if I are connected to wired. So you can see I'm wired network. That's what I'm using here. And then you press OK. So if you are connected, but in some pieces to show Ito and then Wilano. Ito means it's the same as this one, and then Wilano is WLAN 0. That one too is wireless. Alright, so I'm connected to wired, so I just press OK. Cool. So the next thing is let's boot up, or just check your IP address. Let me just check it here. Where's this one? And type CMD. Alright, so this is a home network, so I just select home again. I think that's the reason why it's slowing down my PC. Cool. So just come here and type CMD command prompt, Windows command prompt, and type ipconfig. So you can see my IP address is here, 129. Alright, cool. So I can close it. I don't need it. So I want to set up my VPN. You can just open this up. This is really bad. I'm not going to use Explorer. So Internet Explorer is very, very bad. So basically the first thing you need to do is probably you might want to install Chrome. So always use Chrome as your browser, because actually that's the best. Okay, so I'm going to sign in, but I'll pause the video before. Alright, so let's download. Just type download hide.me VPN for PC. Enter. And okay, click on it. You can actually go to the main site here. Okay, software Windows. Alright, the same thing. Alright, just choose the first one again. My network is misbehaving. Click on it and let's see what will happen. Okay, I don't know why it's not opening, but let me choose this one and see. Okay, this one is working. So download. Cool. Sure. So it's downloading. Alright, so done downloading. So just let me show it in folder. I can minimize this. Alright, and this one's small, it's too big. Cool. So now just double click on it to install, and then run it. Yes. Then install. Just wait for it. It's going to install the .NET framework, and that one is very, very important because you're going to need it in most installations. I can minimize this. All right. Let me see the two together. Cool. So installing .NET framework, which is installing from here. When it's done, and then our installation will be done. Alright, so .NET framework has finished installing. So let's wait for the VPN to install. It's installing, and it should be done by now. Alright, finish. So they just run it. I think it's loading right now. Sorry for doing that. It should open up. Alright, so it's checking for service. Alright. Oh. Okay. You need to update it, but just close it. Later I'll do that. Alright, let me just show you. So just go to start your free trial. Alright. So this is my current location that is there, and it's disconnected because I've not enabled it. So I'm going to change the location. Just click on change, and then choose one country. So choose Netherlands. But if you want to go premium, you can go to premium and you get other countries, a whole lot of countries. So I'll choose Netherlands. Alright, connect. So you start connecting. Just close it, don't worry about it. Alright, so this thing will show up, and just close it. Wait for it to connect. Connecting. Right, so you can see it's connected now, and then the location is what? Netherlands. So let's go to our browser, open it up. Alright. So just open a new tab, and let's check our IP address. Why is it not responding? Okay. So you can type what is my IP. Just type what is my IP percent, and you can see my IP address here, which is bad. Alright, so you can click on this one, and you can also open a new tab and type DNS link test and press enter. So let me check. So just open the first one, I hope it opens. Okay, sure. So you can see my IP is what? Netherlands, and this is IP address. And what is my IP? Don't want to lose it, and it's giving me Netherlands here too, the same thing. All right, and it's telling me that hide your information with a VPN. Okay, cool. So that's it. And if you want, you can go back and also change it. So it's running here. Where is it? Let's click on it. Let's show it. All right, we can change the location to, let's say, Singapore. Connect. So it's disconnecting the Netherlands and then connecting to Singapore. Just close this one. Close it again. So it's connected. Alright. So at what is my IP, just reload the page again. And I believe the IP should change from here. You can see Singapore and the IP is 10 point something. And let's come to DNS selected. Just reload this page again. Cool. So basically that's how it works. You can browse anywhere that you want. Nobody can track your location, or actually attackers can, but it will be very hard. Alright, just stay secured when I am browsing the internet. Alright, bye, see you. So I'll cut the video here, and then in the next video I'll show you how to do it in Kali Linux, how to set up a VPN in Kali Linux. Alright, bye.